Good morning, and today we are going to do a makeup tutorial for the special needs mom that has to go to therapies every morning and doesn't have time to do makeup. And what more of an appropriate place to do a makeup tutorial than in the car? But this is a warning, don't drive and do your makeup, make sure you're stopped. But let's get started. Okay, number one, my hair, super frizzy. That's not my face, but there's a brush. Put a brush in your car at all times. Alright, next, foundation cleaning. Don't need to clean. The makeup from yesterday is just going to just use that makeup from yesterday. Okay, I use stains for my makeup because I don't have time to put makeup on anymore during the rest of the day. So why am I starting with lipstick? You don't start with lipstick, but I'm starting with lipstick. It just gives me color, right? Just beautiful color so people think that I have color on my lips. It's Lip Sense, if you want to know. Oh, come on, blurriness. Forget it. And it's caramel apple. I learned, even though I like bright red, but if I wear it during the day and I eat an apple, it comes off because of the acid. So I have to add lip gloss. Also, you probably should organize your purse better than I do, because I can never find anything. Oh, the mascara is with my pens, because they're both black ink. Oh, I found some blemish help. We'll use this in a second. I'm gonna be late, man. I can't find, I see my phone. I found a headband. It's not a headband, it's a hair tie. I'm using it. Oh, I found it. Yay. Next to the dollar bill. I found it. I like diamonds on my lips. It gives me sparkle. Sparkle. All right, blemish control, where are you? Man, I just had it, and I found it. All right, so we all know this has to happen. A couple flaws here, there. And I don't have a makeup brush with me, but we will rub. My fingers can do that whole thing for me. I wonder what time it is. Yeah, I'm running late. Okay, we're gonna finish this at therapy because I'm not gonna do my makeup in the car. Let's go. Okay, we're here. I'll just quickly let her know that we are in the car for therapy and mascara. No. I pulled it aside because I knew I was gonna use it. Yes, it's gonna make my eyelashes exist and look long so it can distract from my puffy under eyes. I always use the ones that don't leak with water. Can't think of the name right now. Because sometimes water happens. Like the weather, and it looks darker outside. Okay, the last final touch, well maybe the last, nope, I got another thing to do, is glasses, because I don't feel like doing eye makeup except for my beautiful lashes, so let's just cover that up. My hair is frizzy, because I live in Florida, which is pretty common, so we're just going to take care of that right now. I have a bag of hair stuff, and I think I maybe do it some pigtails. Okay. Alright, Florida heat has melted all my rubber bands.
Wait, how did they melt all of your rubber bands?
They melted them. You can play with it, just don't make a mess. Maybe not this one though. I think this one's good. Alright, while we wait, did we get our shoes?
Yes,
I'm just gonna let the therapist put them on, or the occupational therapist put them on, because that's part of what occupational therapists do, right? Put shoes on. No, she's gonna have Naomi put the shoes on, because right now I feel like she has more patience to help Naomi put shoes on than me right now.
Why is it?
Oh, she's coming. Okay, the therapist took Naomi inside, but yeah, I'm gonna finish this. I feel like I look old still. Instead of ponytails, I thought that'd be fun, but I think it's gonna be too frizzy, so we're just gonna go with some braids.
Can I do the other side?
Yeah, the frizz is happening. If you live in Florida, ever go to Florida, just know the reality of humidity and what it does to your hair.
But it's actually kind of cool. But I want to be in there.
All right, now I look like him in my 20s, right?
You look like a teen.
And so we want to cover up the no eye makeup and go, nope, that makes me look like a smart 20-something-year-old. And now I think we're gonna get out of the car and go do some stuff together.
Because we're having girly time.
So thank you guys for watching. I hope this was helpful. Let me know in the description box below if you do your makeup in the car parked. Not driving, we're just parked. I think I just burnt my tongue, but my lipstick looks good. It really hurts though. It's too hot. We'll drink my tea later.
It would cool off.
Alright, thank you guys for watching, and I'll stick a video around my face, and I will see you guys in our next video. Bye!